How to change payment method on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can change payment method on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to basically change our payment method on Roblox, it's actually quite very simple. You just have to go to roblox.com and sign into your account, or you can use your Roblox app. Then tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side, which is the settings icon. Then just select the option called settings. Once you go to settings, you're going to be able to come to this page over here, where under account info you'll find a couple of details. But since we're trying to change our payment method, from this account info I want you to simply switch to the payment methods toggle here. So when you now switch to payments method, you'll see any sort of saved payment method that you've added, or you can choose to add another payment method or edit the one that you want. This way you can go ahead and then basically change your payment method on Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.